and the Treetop Gift Shop. If you look to your right as we go across the trestle, you can see the entrance to the Emerson Children's Zoo, for kids of all ages, Kenemos. As we go around the corner at the crossing, if you look to your left, you will see the Insectarium, where you can take a walk through a dome full of butterflies from all over the world and see how spiders and insects help keep our planet healthy. If you look back, we're all hiding out. As we continue our journey around the zoo, we are now going through the back side of the zoo.
내리고 타는 거야 이거? 타러 가는 거야 아
무슨 집이야?
아 치. That's very good.